Yo, yo, Biz House back here. This time I'm gonna unbox something I got from BMX Museum. I'll actually put this in BMX Museum so you watch it. But I bought it from Martin, BMX Marty up in NorCal. So I left you last with the greatest of all profile front hub. So I know what rim I'm using, and I definitely know that I got the best front hub made in America that I could get. Blam! Front hub, female, 36 hole, all USA, laser etched. Even has 36 hole right there. Quality product. So now, got that red drink. Fueled by Starbucks. They don't pay me. Fueled by Starbucks. Got some scissors. So what is going to go good with this hub? What's also going to go good with my back wheel already? I have a turquoise Z coaster. Best hub in the game. Little bit of carbonation. Red drink. What you think? Now, let's see what is going to go with my back wheel, this front hub, in this package. Blam! Shouts out to the East Coast, Tri-State, West Virginia, Wheeling, all the BMXers out there, PA, Pittsburgh Posse, all the mates out in London, Dolan, James White, Ephraim, Big E. Gone over to Flat Matters just to check it out. You may ride street with a little bit of hybrid flatland. If you want to get some crazy flatland, check out Flat Matters. Insanity. So, I'm going to open this. Bubble wrap. Keeping it real. Keeping it real, bubble wrap. Thanks, Martin. Now, I don't know what's in here, but we're about to see. Well packaged in more bubble wrap. Let's get rid of that. Like I've said before, don't cut corners on your bike. It's gonna keep your face on, it's not gonna break bones. But cut corners in your diet. Maybe just get a house coffee for $2 instead of some lemonade Pr1mo mochaccino whip with extra whip and sprinkles. That's like $7.50. Just get a house coffee, $2. Cut corners in your diet. Don't cut corners on your bike. Keep your bike dope. Make your bike dope. Make your bike dope. Now, here we go. If you're not a BMX, you're not going to understand. Your mom might watch this and be like, what? Even though I am your mother's favorite BMXer, we're going to see what I got for my wheel here. The unveiling. Here we go. My. Look at that. I got some forged spokes, 184 millimeter, that are Pr1mos from Soul and Cyclery. That's regularly $24.99. Let's pray there's a 36 in here or more. Package looks unopened. Header card is folded. It is marked 184. Check the turquoise to match the turquoise back hub. Chrome front. I mean, it's gonna be a disco party with these wheels. I can't believe it. Black nipples. I did say black nipples. There they go. I'm trying to see how many's in here. How many spokes came in this package? Just to make sure. Forged spoke. Man, and it's maybe it says 36 in the bag. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. How in the hell can you count spokes in a bag? We're just gonna go ahead and give the benefit of the doubt here that maybe it's 36, maybe it's 40, maybe I have a few extra, but these are stainless steel. You can even see the stainless steel threads down here. Thank God they didn't paint them. Stainless steel, got the Pr1mo sticker in there. We got Pr1mo working at Pr1mo. Pr1mo! Pr1mo! Let's take a drink for Pr1mo. Cheers to Pr1mo, everybody. Powers me. Now, next edit I'm going to drop. I'm going to put this front wheel together. I'm going to show you how a true wheel. So simple, but man, it's so hard. It's so hard, but big shouts out to Matt over at Profile. Big ups, Biz House. Big ups. Flat Matters. Big ups to my homie Phil Dolan. He's killing you guys on the front wheel. Shouts out to Pr1mo for making some stainless steel forged turquoise spokes. This reminds me of like the turquoise color that Redline did for the RL22 back in the 80s. Sick bike. RL rode a man-sized bike, so if you ever ride an RL22, it's big. Why? RL's like 6'6", and schooled you, schooled every one of you. Original, even opposite side. RL killed you guys. Thank you everybody for watching. Thank all the riders. I'd like to thank everybody for 270 subscribers. Let's keep that going. Thumbs up and ride your bike every day. Shred, pay attention, do good in school, don't cut corners on your bike, get good bike parts, don't ride something that you think's gonna last and then you end up on your, so don't do it. Biz House, thank you. I'll be back with that wheel build. Keep riding.